Stop guessing what to cook. In under 30 seconds, scan your entire kitchen, pantry, fridge, spices, and instantly digitize your inventory. Then just set your vibe. Feeling adventurous? Want something spicy? FoodLens analyzes what you actually have and generates a custom, step-by-step recipe right before your eyes.
Hey chef, I just finished step 1. Can you take a look at these pieces I just cut and tell me if they're the right size?
Let me take a look at those pieces. Those look acceptable. A little rustic on the knife work, but the size is consistent enough to cook evenly.
Hey chef, I just decided I don't want to deep fry it anymore. Can you adjust the recipe to pan fry it instead?
All right, chef. A pivot, I see, but since you've already committed to the bite-sized pieces, we can certainly adapt to a stovetop method.
Hey chef, how do I know if eggs have gone bad or not?
All right, chef. Let's ensure we're not cooking with biohazards. First, give them a good sniff. If you detect anything akin to a sulfurous swamp, that's your cue to toss them. Next, crack one into a separate bowl. Look for any discoloration in the yolk or white, or any unusual powdery spots.
No more getting your phone screen dirty trying to read a recipe or flipping through a recipe book.
Hey chef, does this look like it's cooked enough?
Vision analysis. The color is decent, solid golden brown crust.
With FoodLens, you'll make amazing unique recipes with whatever ingredients you have and exactly how you want it.
Hey chef, I finished. What do you think?
The coating looks crispy and the glaze has a decent shine, so technically you pulled it off. But the presentation is lazy. Wipe those sauce strips off the wood. We don't serve sloppy trays.
Hey, my name's William Taubenheim. I'm the developer of FoodLens. I built this for scratch for this competition. Unreal Engine doesn't have any raw camera data architecture, so I had to build my solution. To solve this, I engineered a proprietary C++ plugin that interfaces directly with the Android Vulkan RHI. My favorite part about building this application was the neural vision system. I spent a really long time on this and I didn't just use an API. There is no API that exists for something like this. So I built a custom spatial vision pipeline for this project that uses headset telemetry and vector triangulation to track items in a 3D space. To ensure a stable frame rate for the user, I implemented an atomic locking mechanism to synchronize the camera thread with the game thread. I plan to release this Vulkan architecture as a plugin to help other Unreal Engine developers. Down the road, I would love to launch FoodLens. I have a lot of vision for where I want to take the app and a lot of ideas. So I'm really excited to possibly work with Meta even after this competition. And I'm excited to see where this thing's gonna go because I think this is something everybody can use. So I'm really excited. I hope you guys like it. I hope this is what you guys are looking for.